Hi, this is Mrs. Yamamoto, and today we're going to be talking about truth value. First, let's talk about the basis of a statement. A statement is a sentence that is either true or false. This is called the truth value. We represent the truth value with letters such as P or Q. An example, supplementary angles have a sum of 180 degrees. So the truth value in this case would be true. Negation. A negation of a statement has the opposite truth value, shown by the symbol read as not P. An example would be, supplementary angles do not have a sum of 180 degrees. This statement is false. Moving on, we're going to talk more about compound statements. For compound statements, we are using two or more statements joined by the words and or. The first type of compound statement we're going to talk about is a conjunction. A conjunction is a statement joined by the word and we use this symbol here to denote a conjunction compound statement. And this is true when both statements are true. A disjunction is a statement joined by the word or, written with this symbol here. And it's true when at least one statement is true. So now that we've gone over the main ideas on truth value, we're going to go ahead and look at some examples. So in our first example, given the statements below, we're going to write compound statements. Then we're going to determine the truth value. So for P, the statement that we're using is there are 7 days in a week. We know that is a true statement. For Q, March has 30 days. This is false. For R, Halloween is on October 31st. So for number 1, I'm going to write a compound statement, and this symbol here tells me I'm going to write a conjunction by using the word and to join both statements. So P, there are 7 days in a week. That's the first part of my compound statement. And March has 30 days. Q, March has 30 days. So now I want to evaluate the truth value of this statement, and the truth value of this statement is false. And the reason it's false because March does not have 30 days. In our second example, we're going to look at statement Q and R. You'll notice we're going to create a compound statement. The compound statement is going to be a conjunction. So Q, March has 30 days, and Halloween is on October 31st. The truth value of this example is false. Number 3. I'm going to write a compound statement. I'm going to use statement P and statement R. Statement P states that there are 7 days in a week, and go ahead and see if you can complete the example using the statement R. So number 3, there are 7 days in a week and Halloween is on October 31st. The truth value of this statement is true. So now we're going to practice some more examples. Here, we're going to write not P as a conjunction with Q. Number 5, we're going to write statements P and R. Notice my symbol here. This is my conjunction. This is my disjunction. And number 6, I'm going to write the not Q statement as a disjunction with statement R. And number 7, I'm going to write not P as a disjunction with not R. And number 8, I'm going to write not P as a disjunction with not Q. So going back to number 4, not P. So statement P said there are 7 days in a week. So since I have this symbol here representing not P, I'm going to add the word not in my sentence. So I'm going to say there are not 7 days in a week, and March has 30 days. So now evaluating this compound statement, the truth value is false. On number 5, notice that I'm now writing a disjunction. So statement P, there are 7 days in a week. So I'm going to say, or Halloween is on October 31st. So both of these statements as a compound statement in the form of a disjunction have a truth value of being true. So go ahead and practice 6, 7, and 8, and we'll check your answers tomorrow in class. And if you'd like, feel free to challenge yourself and come up with your own statements.